If you've been using Mindnote, you know it's a great app for note-taking, organizing ideas, and creating mind maps. But what happens when it stops working? Suddenly, your notes don't sync, the app crashes, or certain features just won't load. Frustrating, right? Today, we're taking a close look at why Mindnote might not work and how to fix it easily in 2026. First, let's talk about common reasons Mindnote stops working. The most typical issues include outdated app versions, device compatibility problems, network issues, or corrupted data. Many users report that after an OS update, Mindnote fails to open, or it keeps crashing when trying to sync large files. Step 1. Update the app. Check your App Store for the latest Mindnote version. Developers constantly fix bugs, improve performance, and address crashes. Using an outdated version is one of the most common causes of malfunction. Step 2. Restart your device. It sounds simple, but many app issues are resolved by a quick restart. Closing background apps, freeing memory, and rebooting often clears temporary glitches that prevent Mindnote from functioning. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Mindnote relies on cloud sync to store your notes. A slow or unstable network can cause syncing errors, missing data, or crashes. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or resetting your router. Step 4. Clear cache or reinstall. If problems persist, clear the app cache from your device settings. On Android, this is usually under Apps greater than Mindnote, greater than Storage, greater than Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This can resolve corrupted files or incomplete installations. Step 5. Contact support. Mindnote has a help center and email support. If the issue continues, provide screenshots, your device model, OS version, and a detailed description of the problem. Developers can guide you or release updates targeting specific bugs. Extra tips: avoid syncing massive files at once. Break large projects into smaller mind maps. Back up your data regularly to avoid losing notes. Keep your OS updated. Mindnote often relies on the latest system features to run smoothly. Bottom line, Mindnote is a powerful tool, but like any app, it can run into glitches. Most problems are simple to fix. Update, restart, check network, clear cache, or reinstall. If you follow these steps, you should have Mindnote running smoothly again in minutes. Remember, keeping apps updated and maintaining backups can save hours of frustration. If this video helped you fix Mindnote, leave a like, comment, or share to help others who are struggling with the app. Stay organized, stay productive, and don't let glitches stop your workflow.